Government's biggest traveling roadshow for aid and services hits the most resilient and rapidly growing city in eastern Visayas. Our Mela Las Moras previews the Bagong Pilipinas Service Fair heading to Tacloban City to spread major love and care from the national government.
All is set for the launching of the biggest and grandest Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair in Tacloban City Leyte tomorrow, which for the first time will be region-wide. Banners about the event have been posted in various areas, and Leyte Normal University, the main venue for the gathering, is all prepped and good to go. In a press conference, Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asidre and BPSF National Secretariat Lead Ponyong Gabunata took pride in reporting that the government will deliver overflowing aid and services through BPSF in Eastern Visayas tomorrow. The BPSF celebrates its first anniversary this month. House Speaker Martin Romualdez will lead the activity.
Dito sa Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, Tacloban, Eastern Visayas, mayroon po tayong mini BPSF simultaneously bukas at sa Sabado. Mamimigay din sila ng serbisyong bayan doon sa mga probinsya mismo na outside Leyte. So meron din po mga services doon, may mga payout din po, meron simultaneous program sa lahat ng probinsya ng Region 8. This is the first time we attempted to have this kind of model, and if this would be successful, we will replicate it to the succeeding Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair para mas malawak, mas malaki, at mas inclusive yung Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair.
In total, more than 1 billion pesos worth of aid, services, and programs and around 2.2 million kilograms of rice will be given out to 253,000 expected beneficiaries. Some of the services to be delivered to the region include the Kadiwa ng Pangulo, mobile veterinary clinic, and the turnover of various aid and assistance to farmers. For its part, the LTFRB will also launch its fuel subsidy and service contracting programs. While for the TESDA, they will also be having scholarship allowance distribution, scholarship listing, and also offer free massage, haircut, pedicure, and manicure.
Hindi lang to numero hindi lang to datos. Nakikita namin ang impact na ginagawa ng mga programang ito at nagiging mas balanse at responsive tayo sa ating pagbalangkas ng pambansang budget. Napakalaking bagay po para sa mga kongresista na nakikita natin kung paano nababago ang mga buhay, na natutugunan ng pangangailangan, at lalong-lalo na on a macro level, we're basically pumping economies.
But wait, there's more. Did you know the government is also preparing to establish Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Centers so that even more in the public domain can benefit from the one-stop-shop caravan of the government?
Doon na natin ilalagay yung major frontline services na hindi nyo na kailangang lumipat pa sa isang bayan, papunta sa isang bayan, para siyang mall of services. So naisipan po ito ni Speaker Martin Romualdez at kauna-unahang itatayo dito sa Leyte ngayong taon na to ang Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Center. At gagayahin po ito sa ibang probinsya kung saan dumaan ang Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.